so excessive. Thank you to Canon for sponsoring today's video. Hello guys, so it's a little bit echoey in here, and if you haven't been keeping up, it's because I'm moving out of my place. So currently my apartment is completely empty with the exception of this right here, which is my infamous stationery cabinet, because today I am going to be packing up all my stationery, going through it. This is the final step in my moving process. Everything else has been packed up and it's at my new place. So my place is currently completely empty and it's really weird. I don't know, I don't want to think about it, but right now my current task is to pack this up so that we can finally take it over, and I wanted to kind of go through it and see if I could get rid of some stuff as well. So it's kind of like a stationery clean out, because hopefully I can reduce my collection a little bit when I move to the new place. So we'll see what I can do. And again, if you haven't been keeping up and this is news to you, yes, I'm moving into a new place and there's gonna be a lot of moving vlogs and decorating vlogs, and hopefully once I set up my new place, I'll be able to do like a full tour and stuff. So keep updated with that. I have some boxes that I need to make. Boxes done. Need to see what we're working with here. All of my cubes. Okay, so I have all my stationery here, and I'm gonna have a box of, oh god, there's a spider in there! Oh my god. Okay, got a new box. I'm gonna put all of the stationery that I want to donate or get rid of in this box here and sort of sort through it right now, because some of these markers are old or like dried out and stuff. So I'll test them out and see what we can get rid of. 위험해 순간 분위기가 심장이 뛰고 있네 아무 생각 안 나게 꽉 끌어서 타이트하게 널 감싸줄래 상상만 했던 너의 실루엣이 내 눈앞에 So actually I ended up keeping most of the ones in the cubes. I just have a bag over there of ones that I'm going to be discarding of because they were dried out. But a lot of the markers in the cubes are ones that I actually like, or I'm going to decide what to do with it when I move over. And also, side note, this box fits them perfectly, like the little stationery cubes. Like, look at this. How satisfying is that? 3 fit perfectly and slid right in there. I just have like 2 extras. So I'm kind of putting them on top of the shorter ones, and I'll try to find some stuff to fill in there. Alright guys, so in honor of my big move and me packing up all my stationery, I wanted to make a little bullet journal spread using the Canon IV2 mini printer. If you've watched any of my previous videos, then you've seen me make little memories or highlight reel spreads where I insert pictures of my favorite moments in my bullet journal. And obviously this is such a big moment. As I mentioned, I'm using the Canon IV2 mini photo printer. What I love about this printer is that it's super easy and portable to use. You just have to download the Canon mini print app and then you connect it to the printer, and you can select any photo from your phone to print out. And there's a lot of different features on this app. You can actually add different filters and frames. I actually added this white border frame to my photo. And they also have a ton of different decoration and customization options. Like you can add text to the prints. Like for my photo where I'm sitting in the empty room, I wrote out the final goodbye just to kind of remember that moment. Of course, you can edit the actual photos as well, like color adjustment and brightness, all of that. And then when you're done customizing your photos, with the tap of a button, your photo just starts printing and it looks so cute. And the reason why I love this printer for journaling is that it actually comes with a peel and stick back, so all of the papers have a sticky back to them. All of your prints can become stickers if you need it. There's no ink needed for this printer. It's water and tear resistant, and they even have different types of paper, like ones that have pre-cut circle stickers. Normally I would need to use like a glue stick or some sort of adhesive to attach them into my journal, but for this it was really quick and I just put them in, added some couple other decorations like washi tapes and doodles, and that was it for my spread. Now I have my big moving day memorialized in my bullet journal. But next up, we're gonna work on this over here, which is all of the washi tapes.
If there's a world where we don't end up together, I'm gonna lose my mind. And if this life really does go on forever, I know I choose you every time. You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting any stronger, I'm losing my faith. And I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up on you. You want a forever thing, I'm taking my time thinking just so long.
Okay guys, so I was able to fit everything pretty much in these two boxes here. Most of it were the cubes, and then this is a lot of washi tapes and extra stationery. I did manage to get rid of a lot of extra pens that weren't able to fit in the stationery cubes that originally were kind of like underneath this. I had a lot of old Crayola Super Tips. So these are like the ones that I'm gonna be donating and getting rid of. So we kind of cleared through a lot. So I'm kind of proud of myself for being able to fit my stationery in these two boxes. So I guess we are just gonna pack these babies up now. Mostly pens, but there's a lot of like extra washi tape. I was really careful about the washi tape that I kept because I just wanted to keep only the washi tape that's either designed by me or ones that I use a lot. So there's some washi tape at the bottom as well. So this is what's left. I should just leave this out for Halloween and it'll be like a stationery trick or treat. Well, that's it. I'm gonna be moving all of these boxes out, taking this away, and that's it, moving to the new place. Again, I'll be posting more moving vlogs as I kind of get settled, but things have been so hectic lately, so thank you for your patience. All right, let's move these out.